Alright, I'm needing some help. I'm not exactly sure what I've done to my car. It's a Desert Runner or whatever, the Wltoys 12428. When I set it on the ground, the front, it spins and everything. I'm guessing I have a problem with the differential, but I mean, I'm not exactly sure. And I've taken this gear off the drive shaft. I've checked it out. I mean, I don't know if there's like teeth missing. Obviously there's no teeth missing, but maybe they're damaged enough. I've opened up the differential and I've tried to lock it with some like home stuff, no actual lockers or anything, but I mean, when I hold it up in the air, it'll spin good. I set it down on the ground, I don't get anything with the back. I'm not spinning nothing. I really don't want to have to replace a differential if I can fix it. I don't understand exactly what to do with it, but I don't know. If anybody has any information or could point me in the right direction of a video that can help me, I've been searching, and I mean, I've been trying to figure this out on my own, but having some trouble. So some comments on this would help me out. Thanks.